In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Google Shared Drive and give it a personalized touch by customizing its appearance. Let's explore how you can modify your shared drive to reflect your brand or team's identity perfectly. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you want to make your drive more visually appealing or professionally suitable for your needs. First things first, open your Google Drive. To do this, simply log into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive, which you can usually find among the Google apps on your homepage or through a quick search. Google Drive is an incredibly versatile tool, and using shared drives can enhance your team's efficiency by organizing your content collaboratively. Once you're there, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Shared Drives. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the different shared drives you have access to. Shared drives is a great feature because it allows teams to easily manage shared content. Here, choose the specific shared drive you want to customize. This could be the shared drive created for your department, project, or any group initiative. Selecting the right one is important because the subsequent changes will apply specifically to this drive. Now that you've selected your shared drive, let's delve into customizing it to better suit your needs. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the name of your shared drive prominently displayed. Click on the name and a drop-down menu will appear. Depending on the version you're using, look for an option that either says Customize Drive or Edit Theme. These options lead you into the settings where the real magic happens, allowing you to tailor the drive's appearance to match the aesthetics you envision. Here comes the fun part, uploading a custom banner. In the settings menu, locate the banner section. There's an option to either upload or add theme. Click on this and you'll be guided to choose an image file from your computer. It's a chance to be creative or professional depending on your needs. Ideally, you could use your law firm's logo or a thoughtfully designed image that resonates with your team's purpose. Make sure the image you select is high resolution to ensure it looks crisp and clean on all screens. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Google Shared Drive. Tailoring it to suit your specific branding needs can greatly enhance collaboration and present a polished image to all users involved.